Hey guys, my name is Kaushik and welcome back to LeetCode. In this video, we are going to use the post test command to generate the Allure report. So far, we are running our test script with the help of protector and the protector conf file, and that's going to bring up the Allure report, but still we have to open that manually with the help of command prompt saying that Allure serve, and that's going to bring the reports in our browser. So for that, of course, we need to do the manual interactions, but we are going to avoid that. So what we are going to do is very simple. We'll run our test script and we have already covered like how to generate the report. I believe you remember all those stuff. Okay. Now within the post test, we are just going to call the command to generate the Allure report in a folder. And from there, we are going to open our Allure report. Okay. So that's going to be very, very simple. Just one line of code we have to include in the package.json. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So in a previous video, we discussed about this update command and the test command to run our test script with the help of npm. And after that, I'm just going to say another command that's going to be post test. And within the post test, I'm going to give the Allure command. Okay, so I have already copied the command from the Allure website and I have just kept it. So let me just explain you this as well. So it's very simple. What we are trying to do is Allure generate. So like Allure sub, we have Allure generate, and here I'm going to generate the result from this Allure dash result, right? So here you can see we already have a existing Allure result folder. So let me delete this first. Okay, I'm just going to delete it just to show you. And then we are saying hyphen clean. That means if there is already some files and we don't want to maintain the history, probably we can do the clean, or else we can simply remove this. Okay, and then we are saying Allure dash report, that is used to generate a new folder where we are going to so whenever we run our test, I mean Allure serve, that's going to bring up some temporary files, and from there only the result get loaded in the browser. But now it's going to store all the reports, all the files, HTML files and the relevant data in this particular folder called Allure dash report. And that's it. This is the command to generate the report. Once the report is generated, we have to say Allure space open to open the report on the browser. And in the sense, double ampersand in the sense, we are using two commands. So this is basically our first command and this is our second command. To combine both the commands, not combine in the sense like one after another, we are using this double ampersand. Okay, so this is like your npm way to open multiple commands at the same time within the same line. Okay, now let's go to our terminal and I'm going to say npm run and then followed by test. Okay, so what it's going to do, very simple, it's going to run our test script with the help of protector conf file, and once the test is completed, it's going to trigger the Allure generate, that command, and after that by itself it's going to generate the Allure open command. Okay, so let us see. So I'm just going to bring up this side by side so you can see it in very clear manner. Okay, so first test case completed and second is also completed, I believe. Okay, so our test script get completed, and if you see the Eclipse, I mean sorry, the VS Code, you can see that it's actually generating the report, and it's ran the first Allure, I mean this command, right? So yeah, this one, and after that it ran this Allure open, and here you can see we got our Allure report already. Okay, so if I go to this show all, and probably you can see all the reports with the screenshot as well, before and after screenshot as well. Okay, so that's really cool, that's really easy, but still there is one catch in this. Okay, one catch in this, so that let me show you this one. Okay, so if I go back to this package explorer, you can see that let's open this in Explorer. So we always get this Allure dash result. From there we say like Allure serve, and that's going to bring up the report. Now we have this Allure dash report where we have stored all the datas like whatever we have from the Allure result folder. But still, if I open this index.html, it's actually not going to work. It will just keeps on loading. Okay, but when I say Allure dash open, I mean Allure space open, it's actually going to bring up the result, and it is able to open the result actually. But if you try to open that folder, open that file from that folder manually, it's not going to work. Let us understand the reason as well. So if I do right click and inspect, and if I go to this console, you can see that it's giving us some error like cost origin error, like cost policy. Okay, so what is cost policy is very simple. I will just leave a link on the description, probably you can read it and you will get a better idea. So it's very simple, like because of some security reasons, Chrome or any browser, actually it was working on the Firefox, but Firefox is also now adopted this cross origin resource sharing. Now we are not able to open our reports in that any folder. So what happening is basically it's the entire reports are within our local folder, and it might have some phishing issues or like some spam or something, some kind of like security issues. That's the reason any browser is not letting to open that. But when you open that with the server, so when we say Allure open, it internally has a Jetty server that is going to act as a server, and from there it's opening the report. So that's possible, but of course still we have the same problem. We cannot open this without help of Allure. So for example, let's say that we are going to run our test script and it's going to success or failure, whatever the result is, we have to share the report. Of course we can send this Allure report, we can zip it, we can mail it, we can send it, but still the problem is in their machine, whoever person is going to see this, let's say your manager or the team lead or the client itself, they should also have this Allure command line in the system. Then only they can open the system. I mean, they can then only they can open the reports. Not only the Allure, maybe they can use some lightweight server like the Node server, light server. That is also going to work fine. Okay, but still they have to install some dependency. They should have the Node package manager. Then only they can do the things. Okay, so I couldn't find any other way with the help of Allure. This is the best I can bring in our channel. But I have an idea. Maybe if I able to do that successfully, I will make it tutorial on that. Okay. So, but as of now, I think instead of opening manually, at least this post test is going to help us to open the reports without less manual interaction, I can say. Okay, and after that make sure that here you have to give control C so that we can close this actually, or else it's going to be keep on running in the background. That might consume memory. Okay, so once you're done with the report, once you just go through all the steps, the failure or whatever the result you have to check, then just come back and give control C. That will close the server. Now if I go back and refresh, of course you can see we are not able to get the reports. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you. And the reason why it's not working is because of this cost origin resource. So um, I will just leave a link in the description. Please go through this and understand why it's happening, and what are the benefits of this as well. Okay, and there are ways to disable the cost in the browser, but that is not recommended. It might have some security issues, and of course, for that you might need admin permissions. So if you are working on your office and you do not have admin permissions, then of course it's not possible. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you. And if you like the video, consider giving a like, and if you're new to the channel, kindly do the subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you will get instant update from our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon. Tata, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.